Keep going.
Don't do it yet.
Keep going.
Hold on. Damn, I hate smartphones.
You know?
Oh,
I can't see. Let me get that Gerber so I can scrape this side. I gotta scrape down here so I can see where I'm at.
Use your fingers.
Oh.
all this was male fish. Ain't this box?
Pansy. They're going to church.
Going to church.
They're going to church and Sin wants to get baptized.
Going to church.
I am getting baptized. Right in the leg.
Got
Got it,
it,
I was born
Throw me a blowjob.
by the river
Verify.
in a little
Listen,
tent.
go to church. Somebody's a little faithful, huh?
That's why. I was about to say.
Oh, this shit going on YouTube. The shit soldiers will do to go to church. That's what I'm entitled as.
Oh, just like the river I've been running.
No, it ain't.
Bullshit. It's right there.
Oh my god, it's a cut hair below the fucking line.
Here, that thing here means a lot to me.
Man, he finna throw the dog shit up out of himself.
Oh wait, hey, somebody get him a ginger ale so we got something to drink after he done with this. Nah, get him a cold one.
You right? No chaser involved, was it?
Nah, he said he could. He said he could early. He was like, you can have something to chase it down with so you can get the taste out your
Got it,
mouth.
Sergeant. You got all the soldiers.
Hold up, pop this
I'm
open
going
first.
outside though, so that way when I throw this shit up, I'm not gonna do it in your tent.
Don't go outside. It'd be harder to get the video.
No, what do you mean you can't throw that shit up?
This is what he's having right here. There you
That
go.
Texas Pete like quadruple hot.
Quadruple hot. You gotta put the quadruple hot in that motherfucker.
Got it, Sergeant. Backbone, man. You got it.
Come on, just knock it back.
Hey, you want me to hold your purse?
Hey, look. Hold your breath, hold your nose and swallow.
Swallow it.
It was a little under.
Oh no, this is where it hits him. This is where it hits him. This is where he's gonna die.
400 million bites.
Everybody base? Everybody base?
400 million.
Alright.
Get the fish bowl ready.
Well, no, but that's
I'm sending this to Brandon. Period.
If I remember.
Forward me her number. She's getting this video. We finna format in every way, shape, and form.
Or something like that.
The hot Sergeant.
Hey, the peppers, vinegar, salt,
At least it's not on your lips.
Xanthan.
Yeah, because that shit stayed on my lips.
What's that? Xanthan? Xanthan. What's that?
What?
Hey, say something if your throat starts closing up.
Look at
What's that? Xanthan?
I don't know.
Hey, what's the Xanthan gum? She sounds dangerous.
No, it's just like
Additives.
They got natural flavor and benzoate of soda. Well,
so that's what it feels like when people are dragging.
It's gonna
Hey,
hurt so
Sin.
bad as shit tomorrow.
Hey, Sin,
more
20
like 2 in
minutes,
the
man.
morning.
Huh? 20 minutes.
All right.
That's when